Hey, what's up, everybody? Confirmed kill shot here, playing in Matrix Tactical in Miami. We're doing a zombies game. They told us to stay behind the wall, the barrel to the left, the L-shaped wall building to the right, that's white, and they basically told us to stay behind that and hold it down. They have unlimited spawns, and as we get taken out, we join their side. They couldn't touch me because I brought my new HPA with a 1500 round drum mag on it that I just got and wanted to try out. So here we go. We'll let you guys see how it goes. But just to pre-warn you, there's going to be a lot of concrete wall action in the beginning because I forgot to turn my run cam on. So anyway, here we go.
Call them out, guys. Call them out. Alright. Watch the tunnel, guys. Watch the tunnel.
To the left. It's the woods. Yeah, there. We got movement. Tunnel.
I don't see him.
You'll see it. Guys, on the tunnel. There, straight left.
Where, you see him? You see him? You see him back there? Is he back there far right?
I can't tell if that's an actual person. The bush is moving.
I don't see nothing moving over there. He could be behind the wall. Yeah, he had to.
Look, watch where I'm shooting. He was there.
Don't poke for too long. Don't poke for too long. In the tent. Right side tent. I got one. Right side tent, in the tent door. Oh, this gun's nice.
Yeah, they're shooting from tunnel.
Alright. I got one in the tent. Yeah, one in the tent.
Okay, I see him. I see him moving. Reloading.
I got shooting coming from the tunnel. Not my direction, but I hear it. Now keep an eye on the right. Keep an eye on the right.
I can't see much.
I know. Stay down. Stay down. Just your eyes. We're not trying to give these guys a game. I don't have movement. I don't see them. I don't see your shots. They're in the tunnel. They're in the tent. The tent. In the tent, left side of the tent, moving up on us, halfway to us. Is he at the wall?
He's moving on tunnel. He's still there?
Yeah, don't cut.
I got one guy behind the tree.
I'm shooting the fuck out of your gun. Are you asking me you shot your gun or not?
I'm shooting his gun too.
Let it come out.
God, if this was a real bullet, it would have went through all that brush.
Yo, how many hits is your gun gonna take?
There were trees where the
He's not calling his hit. Alright, gun hits don't count.
Might start crawling.
We got a guy behind the L, right side. There he is. I see his gun. Wait for him. 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 He's talking to somebody. He's talking to somebody on his left. No, he's looking left. His right. Or left. Yeah, we got the L building. We're about to get walked up on, girl. see his gun.
Yeah, he's right there. He's sitting there.
Wait for him.
He's not gonna move.
I'm gonna throw a grenade over there. I got him.
There you go. Nice shot.
Nice shot, guys.
Thank you. One down. No. We're still all up, right? All standing?
What I'm scared of is someone's
Watch out, watch out. Coming straight in front of us. By the L, by the L. Left of the L.
Cross up. I'll take here and you stay there.
I don't have visual on anything.
What, in the tower? We got smoke pop, straight ahead. I got one guy behind the fucking spool.
Oh, I know the spool.
Right there.
I can't see it.
What do we have on the right?
You got the spool? No. You can't see the spool? I don't know what
Right there, right there.
it's like a giant thing that Chicken has. Oh, the spool, the thing that you wrap around. It's a giant one without head. Oh, no, I don't see that. It's a wooden spool. The baby was there.
He's peeking, he's peeking. I got her. We gotta move positions. She's coming back. We're going right, go right. Push right. I'm going, stay here, hold position. I'm not moving to the L. The right side looks clear. I need cover fire. We got a guy in front of the L. We got a guy moving up on me on the L. Stay low, stay low, stay low. Watch the L, watch the L. Watch that L, he's moving up on it. He's gonna come from the left side of the L. He was laying down. He was laying down with a tank. Stay down, stay down. By the L, by the L. Stay down, stay down. By the L, by the L. Stay low, stay low. Right there, he's shooting at me, he's shooting at me. Right there behind the L.
Where by the L?
Left side, in the bushes. Right by the barrels. Right there in the middle, right there in the middle. That's single fire! Nobody on our side is shooting full auto! Is anyone over here shooting full auto?
I think we can. We're allowed to.
Are we allowed to play full auto? No, we're not.
No, we are. People were.
Oh, alright, well, single fire, single fire! Conserve your ammo, single fire! Watch the tent, watch the tent. I see him. Right side, left of the L. Left of the L, left of the L. Behind the concrete wall. Goggles. Stay down, stay down. I'm throwing a grenade, Grenade out, grenade out.
Yeah. I rocked it this game.
Alright, wait.
Yeah.
Yo, you guys, they're all, oh, careful, yeah. Right side of the tent. My bad, that was me. Conserve your shots, conserve your shots. They're not hitting you there, I can tell you that right now.
English! Sorry, I just kind of...
I see him. Center, center. Center. Frag out. That spot, you saw where that blew up? She's laying down right there. Yeah, I see her hat. Yeah.
Yes, you got the shoes, bro. Can you shoot it? No.
Who's watching that girl in the center? Alright, I'm moving up right side. Yeah, hey, come take my spot. Yeah, there she is. Got her. Yeah, because I pulled the trigger 5 times instead of once. I'm moving right. I did. Okay, I did. Yep. Yeah. I believe they're coming. I do believe I got them coming this way. I hear voices. Yeah, but stay on your left. We got him coming up on the right. Got him coming up on the right. Right side, right side. You got the guy I'm talking about? I'm moving up, I'm moving up. Me too. I got movement, I got movement. Left side. What? I saw one guy right side of the tent, behind the tent, right side. There's probably more than one guy, never just one. I got movement for left side. Got him. Nice call, thanks. Hey, I got eyes. I got eyes, left side, left side. Forward left, 50 yards up, moving in. Going in the tunnel. Left side tunnel. careful, right here behind the tree. Right here behind the tree. Behind the tree. They're behind the tree. Behind the tree, behind the tree.
The window right there, what you want me to do?
Yo, don't poke out these holes. Don't poke out these holes. Put your mask down when you get a chance. Get down if you're going to have your mask up. That we don't risk getting hit in the face. What you're going to need to do, we're stuck here. This guy's got us pinned behind the tree. He's going to move up on us any second. He's got 4 of us here now in one. Don't poke, don't poke. He's got us, he's got you. He can't see me here on this corner, but he can see you down there on that upper corner. See how he's shooting? He can't see me down here. I'm waiting for him to poke right. Undefeated, undefeated, undefeated. Got the power of the big gun. Was that you all the way over here by the tree? You had us pinned, bro.